Hi guys, this is Alik. Welcome to Nature with Alik YouTube channel. I'm here at Shulman Dragon Fruit Orchard and we're running through lots of tasting of the fruit in July 2025. Okay, so before we actually going through the tasting process, I would really appreciate guys if you subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification, post notification button, very important, so you do not miss any of the video that we're releasing almost every week with the news on our orchard, with the new tasting varieties, with my travel around the world and sharing the nature with you. There's so many cool videos you're gonna see. Okay, so we've done lots of tasting and right now it's time to harvest the Michelle. We at the Michelle plant right now, so thank you Edgar Valdivia for giving us this beautiful plant, and we're gonna do the tasting and we're gonna harvest the fruit and share with you guys. Here we go. Lots of fruits were tasted today, so lots of yummy flavors, and definitely we're looking forward to see you guys in our orchard so you can see how to grow the dragon fruit, how to plant, how to fertilize, when to harvest. Actually, it's very important part as well. And we'll do the Brix score tasting, and we'll see how much the sugar consistency in the plant, in the fruit, and as well the color, the flavor, and lots more. We grow almost 50 varieties in our orchard, and pretty much more than half of them producing fruit at this point. And we ship the boxes of multi-varieties. Last year we did 15 to 20 different varieties in one box, so that was pretty cool. So you can taste the fruit all over the world and see the beauty of the dragon fruit. Okay, now let's check the scale. So this is like first season of Michelle harvesting. We still have lots of flowers. That was the first one. This is the second coming, and still I see few more flower buds. That's the third one season coming on this beautiful plant, and lots of plants already loaded. As you can see, every branch is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Even like we went today, 4 fruit on one branch, just couple inches from each other. So I'm so happy to do this. Okay, let's switch to we're gonna check the pounds first. Okay, 0. Here we go. So let's check the weight of this fruit. Okay, I believe it's like 6.3 ounces and 180 grams, 6.3 ounces. So that's the first fruit of Michelle of this season, and we're gonna check it right now. We're gonna slice the fruit and see the beauty of internal flesh. Okay, so I'm gonna put the refractometer. So this is a digital device that check the sweetness of the liquid fruit or anything that you would like to check the sugar consistency in that product. Okay, so here we go. We'll put this way, turn it on, so this is ready to go. Let me slice the fruit. So you can see this is the center is very hard. You will not be able to cut with a knife, so little bit of the center on the side, little bit. So let's see the color. Whoa, deep red, deep. Every fruit that we taste getting darker and darker and darker. So this is Michelle variety. This is a real deep red color. So we moved today from Delight, light pink, then we moved to Robles red, then we had the physical graffiti, then we tasted the Mr. Wu, and this final very nice and pretty deep red color. Amazing and nice firm texture. I see no even drip of the juice. Everything is nice and firm, holding in the fruit. Very skin is probably couple 2 to 3 millimeters of the skin, so it's good for transportation. bricks of the fruit, so it will hold and will not damage the fruit. Okay, so next step is gonna be to check the Brix score. So I'm gonna get a little bit from the center. Okay, nice. Here we go. We have a garlic press ready to be squeezed and checking their Brix score. Here we go. 0, 0, 0. Very hot day today. Very hot. 1, 2, 4, and 5. 4 and 5. Okay. Pressing the button, guys. Ta-da! Okay. 13.25. 13.25. That's a pretty good number. We're gonna do the taste. We're gonna do the taste of the fruit. Okay. So I'm gonna check the fruit. Nice and firm texture. This is good one for the sorbet as well. Look at the color, and adding to the salad, adding to your dessert, and the colors of the dragon fruit it's amazing. It brings so much joy and happiness to eat this fruit. It's a little bit sweeter than Mr. Wu, but I still feel the acidity. So it's lemony flavor and sweetness as well as Mr. Wu. Wow, you have to scoop it really seriously. This fruit is nice and firm texture, very good. It's a little bit crunchy, and it gives good omega vitamin to you as well. And wow, it is good and yummy and tasty fruit. Love it as well. Thank you, Edgar. Thank you so much for giving us this fruit. So if you guys want to do this, it's a good small portion for the babies as well. Like, you do not give a lot. And what's interesting about the dragon fruit, it has fibers, so it has so many health benefits of this dragon fruit. There's vitamin C. It has minerals as well, and has a fiber. So the fiber helps to people with digestive system. Okay, so but if you really like this fruit and you can't even stop, so you eat like 1 or 2 pounds of this fruit, don't go to the movies. Okay, guys, so this is really working naturally. It's gonna work perfect. Okay, so enjoy your day. Grab the fruit from farmers market. You know, I'll be selling this fruit in Thousand Oaks, Westlake, Ventura County, over here around, and probably Los Angeles, wherever I'm going to get introduced to farmers markets. And we have plenty of fruit for you to come and visit the orchard. Same time, you can grab the fruit on your flavor, and we'll be really happy to see you as well. Very soon is going to be released the article and edible magazine in our county, Ventura County, near Los Angeles, and article about my orchard, and I'll be happy to share with you this information as well. Thank you so much. Please, guys, don't forget, click the button, subscribe, help us to grow, help us to share the beauty and flavors and nature around the world with the rest of the people, and always happy to see you in my orchard. Alik, Nature with Alik, 323 area code 547-1273. Wish you all best. Enjoy your summertime. Looking forward to see you in my orchard. Bye-bye.